Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am officially vlogging. I don't know how often I'll vlog, but I'm really excited. I just got my camera, so I thought, why not, you know, do a little practice or whatever. But yeah, you guys, so right now I am about to go with my husband. We're gonna get some food because we haven't eaten anything today. Well, I had some fruit, but I'm hungry. It is like 2 pushing 3 o'clock, so it's about time to eat. But yeah, the weather is like a little bipolar. It's been freezing and now all of a sudden it is 70 degrees. So I just have on this really light long sleeve. This is by Skims. I feel like this is one of the most comfortable long sleeves that I own. Probably the most comfortable top that I have in general. But it's just a basic brown top. I wish I had more, but they're freaking expensive. So yeah, I'm wearing that. I have on some leggings and then some Crocs. So yeah, I will probably get a taco salad because I'm basic and that's usually what I get from Mexican anyways. Like, I just get a taco salad. But yeah, I'm about to go get food and I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay?
Yeah, it's so good.
What you get is basic.
It's not basic.
Is my taco salad basic?
Yes.
Okay.
Most basic thing on here.
All right. All right.
Just eat the chips at the beginning. My bad.
I don't know how I want to do this yet. You know what my issue gonna be? Looking up there.
Yeah.
This side of there. The lighting is really good in here though. My shirt is wrinkled. It's very wrinkled. I can get yours?
Yeah, sure. I'm hungry. Feed me. Feed me.
All right, you guys. Huh?
Is your margarita?
Oh, can I show that on YouTube? I don't know.
Yeah.
Like I say, you guys, I get the basic.
Gracias, señor.
So you guys, we just finished eating. It was really good. I didn't eat all my food, of course.
Lame.
But I did have a margarita and it was really good. So what are we about to do?
Drive around.
That's our thing. We
It
love
is our thing.
just driving around the city.
Right.
Even though there's not much to see, we like looking at houses. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and when I get home I'm going to record a New Year's Eve tutorial, I hope. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so today we are leaving to go to Destin. It's like December 30th, I think. So we're just going down to Destin to see friends, hang with friends before it's time to go back to work, because I have to go back to work on January 3rd. Boo-hoo. I am not looking forward to that just because it's been so relaxing at home. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and I might show the Airbnb. You guys are gonna have to excuse me because I feel like I'm not used to filming like this. It's actually quite awkward. This is like way worse than doing a tutorial just because I don't know, like when I'm doing a tutorial I know exactly what's going on. I know what I'm gonna do. I know the products I'm gonna use, and this is like freestyle and I don't know how I feel about this. But yeah, I just gotta get used to it. And another thing, I showered and I washed my hair and it looks really good. My curls are flourishing, they're growing. I cut my hair like, I feel like 2 years ago, and it was like a long bob and it was blonde. It was so freaking cute. But I don't feel like my hair ever grew back the same, and I feel like that's an issue. So I am still dyeing my hair black right now, but I'm just trying not to put any bleach on it, if that makes sense, because you don't have to bleach your hair to dye black, so it's still chemicals, but whatever, okay? I have to put something on it. That's just not me, but it's looking good. And I really like the products that I've been using, so it's really cute. So this is basically going to be like a little trip to relax before everybody goes back to work. So hopefully it's fun. Hopefully I get to just enjoy my last few days left in my break. And yeah, I'll be in Destin in, I guess, a couple of hours. So I'll see you guys later.
Or would you walk away? Walk away. You so beautiful to wanna stay.
Sugar Shack in the bush and who worked outside the rules of this federation and clearly thumbed his nose at the federation.
Hey you guys, today is our last day in Destin and I really didn't vlog much because I feel like I just wanted to relax. So, oh, and I have my glasses right here because I feel like there's a weird glare when I put them on. But you guys, I just want to show a little bit of the Airbnb. I don't think I'm going to show the entire thing, but I feel like it was really nice for like a last minute trip. So I'm going to show you guys, okay? First of all, I'm out here on the deck, so I'll show that first. We don't have like a scenery or anything of the beach, but the palm trees are just really cute. So I'm going to show that. So I feel like the scenery was really cute. There's table and chairs for friends to come over. Everything was really, really nice. So I was very happy about that. Now I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So there's the outside. When I came in, I stepped right into the living room. There's the TV, it has a really nice mirror. The couches look really, really nice. Everything's like a light gray color or beige, which I feel like is a really nice aesthetic. Here's the kitchen table, and then it has this really nice fixture up above. I think it was really cute when it was lit. And there's, wow, I'm breathing hard. There's husband in the kitchen cleaning because we're about to get ready to go. Everything's just really nice. Refrigerator was nice. It's getting cleaned out. Okay. This is the room we slept in. This is very spacious. There's our bags. We're getting ready to head out. Really nice big TV on the wall. And then if you look outside, then this is basically where that deck patio area was. So yeah, it was just a really nice view. The lighting in here is so freaking good. I have this blind closed right now, but if you open it, the lighting looks fabulous. And so I'll show you guys the bathroom. Here's just a really spacious closet. But yeah, here's the bathroom. I feel like it was really nice looking. It's designed really nice. So this is just a tub. It looks like it has like the water jets. And here's the shower box, mirrors. So yeah, everything was really nice here.